Talk a little bit about why you should become an integrated service provider. There's a lot of just cleaning companies out there that maybe they haven't thought about getting into security or building maintenance, and why. Tell if you could share the story about the gum wrapper on the floor with the security guard.
Yeah.
And I thought that was such a unique story, and why people might want to look at becoming more of a full service provider.
Yeah, I think it's great. Thank you, Jeff. So I think because we bring so many building services to a building, and when we bring you our bundle of services, so the advantage of having that is when everyone's rowing the same way. When you have the security team, who's the same company as the janitorial team, who's the same company as your building super, your maintenance team, and your front desk, they care about the success of all the groups in your building. And to the wrapper thing,
Right.
in a building that maybe, and we'd seen this in buildings where we're not all together, if a security officer or a front desk person saw the wrapper on the floor at a lobby and it's not his company, the attitude is typically, that's not my job. And,
Right.
you hear that. And I'm like, but you're in this building, you should care. And sometimes it's actually they want to make the other company not look good. When it's all the same company, we all want to make each other look good. So that security guard's going to pick up that wrapper, toss
Right.
it in the garbage. Or if he sees something that's unkempt or undone, or the other way around, we have janitors who will say, you're supposed to have a tie on right now. You're supposed to have your uniform on at the front desk. It's more eyes and more people looking out for each other, and therefore the success of the building.